So you may be wondering, you want me to tell you about my application process? In this video, we're going to go over the biggest reason why you should talk about your application process, as well as some consequences we've seen happen when you don't. So the three biggest reasons you should be up about your process. It helps converter understand the design's purpose, make more accurate material selection, and receive optimal packaging. So explaining the application will help your converter understand more about your design. Converter is designed for the intended purpose of the product. This could be by picking specific materials or making suggestions based on your substrates. So disclosing your product application is really important as far as the material selection. Again, we have the environmental considerations, temperature considerations, what your application is really going to be. Does your material match your application, as far as being the best material? So it's going to be outdoors where it can go from 0 degrees to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to be a controlled environment where there's very minimal temperature change. It's going to be in a wet application where it's water, where it's salt water. Those things are all important in choosing the right product. So if you purchase materials before design is complete and talking to the converter, you may run into some issues as far as, is that the right material? Did you go Google some adhesive that you thought would work and find out it really doesn't work in your process in the end? So there's issues without talking to us first about what material is really right for your application. So depending on how you're going to apply your product, whether it's automated or by hand, that definitely affects how the packaging of the parts are going to be. Again, for automated applications, parts are normally always on a roll, but for hand application, there's a lot of consideration to take as far as tabs, extended liners, what's going to be easy for them to apply the part. So some of the consequences of not explaining your application process, again, could be everything from materials kind of chosen wrong, the parts aren't packaged correctly or as they should be. A lot of it's based on information we were given. So stuff to consider up front, you need to kind of disclose to us. So by making late stage adjustments in the part, you're going to have lead time issues. You're definitely going to have pricing issues. And again, it could be delays in material we may or may not be able to get. So if you're looking to streamline your process and get in production quickly, this could be a huge delay in that, and it happens quite often. So as you can see, you don't be dealing with the consequences of going into production without telling your converter about the process or your application. So being open and honest with your converter would definitely benefit you greatly in the long run. So if you have any more questions about converting, please feel free to visit our website, check out the Learning Center, or give us a call and talk to us directly. Thanks for watching.